Welcome to Smalltalk Daily for Wednesday, January 6, 2010. This morning I'd like to take a look at enhancing the code editor inside Cincom Smalltalk a little bit. Give you an idea what I'm talking about. Let's say you have code that looks like this. You've got everything lined up here on the left instead of formatted the way you normally would. And the way most editors would work, you'd highlight this, hit the tab key, and it would move it all over. You notice that it just deletes it. That's not really the behavior that you'd come to expect in most editors, and in fact, it's not what you want here in most cases. So let's just back out of that. And we'll go over here to the parcel manager, and I'll show you what you can load to fix that problem. Come in here to code editing. You'll find there's something called block indent. I'll go ahead and load that. Now, while we're waiting for that, you see there's a bunch of other things in here. You've got code highlighting, which I've already got loaded, spell check highlighting. You've got a better text editor here. You've got autocomplete. One thing you need to be aware of, though, is that block indent and autocomplete don't work and play well together because they both want to use the tab key. So if you load block indent, the autocomplete is not going to work the way you expect. But once I've loaded that, you notice that this now works that way. I hit tab, I hit shift tab, things move around the way I want them to. So if I just wanted these two things to tab over another stop, I was going to put in an if true block for some reason, I can do that. So nice addition you can add to the browser, makes things a little more pleasant. One thing to be concerned with, doesn't work and play nicely with autocomplete. That's something that the authors of those two will have to work out. If we integrate this into the browser ourselves, we'll work that out ourselves so that these two things don't conflict this way. But it is something to keep in mind. You pretty much get to use one or the other. So that's about it for today. Until next time, have fun with Smalltalk.